Hello everyone, I'm Mouse-Imitating. Today, I'll introduce a magical laptop gadget, MouseLikeTouchPad driver. This is a revolutionary innovative technology and an epic-making Windows touchpad enhanced driver. The code is open source and shared, and has passed the Microsoft Driver's signature certification. The software runs perfectly on most of the Windows laptop models produced in recent years. It has strong functions and is easy to learn and use. It can greatly improve the office efficiency and operating comfort of the laptop. It can fully match or even surpass the touchpad of Apple laptop. It is especially suitable for business office workers, ultrabook users, and professional productivity laptop. The MouseLikeTouchPad completely imitates the function of the mouse, so the operation logic is very ergonomic. The left and right click operation of the traditional Windows touchpad needs 2 times, and the MouseLikeTouchPad only needs 1 time. The continuous operation of the left and right buttons of the traditional touchpad requires the fingers to leave the touchpad for many times, and the action is discontinuous, which makes the efficiency low, and the left and right buttons cannot be pressed at the same time. The MouseLikeTouchPad can be operated by combining the left and right keys freely and continuously without interruption, with high efficiency. The comparison test is demonstrated in other videos of mine. Although the traditional touchpad can use gestures to complete the middle key operation but is very troublesome. The MouseLikeTouchPad has a dedicated middle key, which is convenient and fast for network browsing to open new tab links and 3D design software applications. Moreover, the MouseLikeTouchPad has all Windows gesture functions. Playing games on the traditional touchpad is simply a nightmare. It is almost impossible for most people to operate the left and right keys while moving the mouse pointer. This is a piece of cake for the MouseLikeTouchPad. God of War, CSGO, and Overwatch can play very smoothly. Please see my other video content for the game demonstration. Although the MacBook touchpad has a pressure-sensitive design to make it easier to use, it is still a little tired to press for a long time. In particular, the drag operation is laborious and it is also difficult to operate when playing games. In general, the MouseLikeTouchPad technology is an invention that is more suitable for ergonomics, easier to operate, more comfortable, and more efficient. It is enough to serve as the industry standard of the laptop touchpad in the future. The MouseLikeTouchPad is a kind of touchpad technology that simulates the function of the mouse. This picture is the schematic diagram of the mouse function corresponding to the finger of the MouseLikeTouchPad. The functions of the fingers and various buttons and other parts of the mouse correspond one-to-one. The middle finger corresponds to the pointer locator of the mouse, the index finger corresponds to the left or middle button of the mouse, the ring finger corresponds to the right button of the mouse, and the middle finger and the ring finger correspond to the wheel. The current version is again improved by the inventor based on my patented technology of mouse-imitating touchpad. Now I'll show you the basic operation of the MouseLikeTouchPad. First, move the mouse pointer, use the middle finger to gently contact to the touchpad, and move the middle finger to move the Windows pointer cursor. If you need to operate the left and right buttons, please keep the middle finger in contact. Next, the left mouse button operation. When the middle finger is kept in contact, the index finger lightly touches the touchpad and the index finger and the middle finger do not close together, which means that the left button is pressed. When the index finger leaves and keeps in contact with the middle finger, it means that the left button is released. When the index finger and the middle finger are kept in contact, moving together means that the left button click-drag operation. The middle button operation of the mouse is slightly different from the left button. When the middle finger keeps in contact, the index finger lightly touches the touchpad and the index finger and the middle finger are close to each other, which means that the middle button is pressed. When the index finger leaves and keeps in contact with the middle finger, it means that the middle button is released. When the index finger and the middle finger keep in contact, moving together means that the middle button click-drag operation. Then, the right mouse button operation. When the middle finger is kept in contact, the ring finger lightly touches the touchpad, which means that the right button is pressed. When the ring finger leaves and keeps in contact with the middle finger, it means that the right button is released. Whether the ring finger and the middle finger are closed or separated, it is okay. When the ring finger and the middle finger are kept in contact, moving together means that the right button click drag operation. Combined operation of left and right button. When the middle finger is kept in contact, the index finger and ring finger can touch or leave the touchpad to indicate the pressing and releasing state of the left and right button, and can achieve continuous and arbitrary combination operation of the left and right button, which is very useful for daily operation. Wheel operation. When no finger touches the touchpad, the middle finger and the ring finger quickly touch the touchpad together, and then the double fingers move in any direction to represent the mouse wheel operation. The double fingers move up and down to indicate vertical scrolling, the double fingers move left and right to indicate horizontal scrolling, and the double fingers move diagonally to indicate vertical and horizontal scrolling. When the double fingers start to touch the touchpad, they should not be too slow, otherwise they will be recognized as left or right button operation. Generally, as long as the finger operates naturally, there will be no misjudgment. I passed the time threshold test when designing the program. For the same 3-finger and 4-finger gesture operation, multiple fingers quickly contact to the touchpad and move to represent multi-finger gesture operation. Next is the touchpad setup operation. To switch the sensitivity of the touchpad when a single finger is pressing the touchpad to trigger the physical button, the driver has set a fast, medium, and slow-moving sensitivity in total 3. In addition, it can adjust the precise speed in the mouse pointer settings of the Windows system. When the double finger press touchpad triggers the physical button, it means to turn on or off the mouse wheel function. This setting is generally used during games to prevent the mouse wheel function from misoperation. It is best to turn off the wheel function when playing FPS and action games, and the computer automatically restores the wheel function after shutting down and restarting. The driver uses 2 ways to switch off the mouse wheel when triggering the physical button with the triple finger pressure touchpad. One is the smooth and delicate operation of double finger gesture rolling. The other is the operation logic of simulating the mouse wheel has good universality. Generally, the default use of double finger sliding gesture is good. A few 3D design software, such as Pro/Creo, do not support the operation of double finger sliding wheels very well. They are often unresponsive or too fast. This is a good way to switch to the analog mouse wheel. When the 4 fingers press the touchpad to trigger the physical button, it means to switch the operation mode of the MouseLikeTouchPad and the original touchpad operation logic of Windows. For users who are not familiar with using the MouseLikeTouchPad, it can switch between emergencies, and it can also compare the power and efficiency of the MouseLikeTouchPad technology. In addition, my other videos have various valuable presentations that you can collect and learn from. Download the installation method. This MouseLikeTouchPad driver is a shared software and you have a 30-day free trial period. If you find it useful, you can register it and use it permanently. Open source and binary installation files are available for download on my personal homepage, github.com/jxleo. The MouseLikeTouchPad_i2c project repositories link is a driver version of the common Windows laptop hardware platform and has been certified by Microsoft Driver Signature. The MouseLikeTouchPad_MacBook project repositories link is an x86-based version of Apple MacBook's dedicated hardware platform driver that can only be used under Windows without paying for it. MacBook dedicated version driver is installed manually. Binary file signature for test driver requires users' consent to install a self-signed certificate for use. MacBook version has less ability to reset the touchpad than normal Windows laptop with I2C bus. MouseLikeTouchPad_i2c release version is suitable for most Windows laptops with I2C bus touchpad. The MouseLikeTouchPad_driver installer en.zip file and https://github.com/jxleo/MouseLikeTouchPad_i2c/releases link is an English version of the setup package. After downloading, open the exe program inside to start installing the MouseLikeTouchPad driver. It is best to restart the computer after the installation prompt is successful for the driver to take effect. The MouseLikeTouchPad Driver Service Guide desktop program will be started and minimized to the lower right corner of the taskbar. Users can open the help program if they want, including my GitHub personal home page and demo video link function. In addition, you need to register the software through the program after the trial period. MouseLikeTouchPad_I2C_driver_compatible zip is a file package installed in the command script mode. There is no software copyright registration interface. If you do not pay, it can only be used as a 30-day free experience. Finally, I am designing and developing the best laptop in the world to match my MouseLikeTouchPad driver. Please look forward to it. Thank you for watching. I hope you can follow me and hit like and share it so that more people can watch my video. Thank you.